Hi, this is Shushan from Measure Square. In this Android video, we're going to be covering the home screen of Measure Square. Let's explore the page together. On the top left-hand side, you'll see 3 horizontal bars. If you click on that, you'll see information about your account. You'll see jim@measuresquare.com. I'm actually logged into my coworker's account. Hope he doesn't catch me. Below that is the expiration date. And from here, you can also log into your cloud. If you log into your cloud, you'll see the projects that you've synced. The reason it's important to sync is so in case anything ever happens to your, like it crashes, you'll have your project stored up there. Also, it frees up the clutter. You can also log out from here. Let's go back to our home page. On the top right-hand corner, you'll also see 3 other horizontal lines. If you click on that, you can sort the diagrams in however manner you want. There's the alphabetical, the create time, last modified, so it's up to you. And click OK. You can search up the diagram right up there to the left of that, and you can sync where you see those 2 arrows pointing to each other. So if I click on that, you'll see it'll start syncing up the diagrams. You normally never want to cancel a sync, but I'm going to cancel it right now just to save us time. If you want to modify any details about a specific project, you'll click on the 3 vertical dots to the right of that project, and you'll see this open up where it has the diagram info. This is how you can duplicate a project in case you have any minor changes you want to make, but you don't want to redo the entire project. You can archive through here, so instead of deleting it, it'll save up the space and you won't have to see it every time you sync, but it'll also have it saved up on the cloud. You can rename it through here, share it through here, and delete it. If I click on diagram info, I can add information about my project. I can also click customer info here, fill out customer information, click on job site contact and address to fill out job site information. And I can click on management and do the same thing here. When you're ready, you can just go back. If you want to enter a specific project, you'll simply click on it. To go back to that home page, you'll click on the home icon on the top left-hand corner. If you want to create a new project from scratch, on the bottom right-hand corner, you'll see a blue plus icon. You'll click on that, and you can give your project a name. My name is Shushan, so I'll do that. But you can name it anything you want. And once you click OK, you'll see it enter the takeoff screen of that blank project. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more videos, and happy measuring.